Hello from Vietnam. It's 2025 and I'm finally here to discover if the street food lives up to the hype. I've heard legends about the noodles, sandwiches, and coffee. Now it's time to taste for myself. This trip isn't just about eating. It's about connecting with people and culture through food. Vietnamese street food is a way of life, eaten on tiny stools, surrounded by friends and family, right on the pavement. The kitchens are open, the food is fresh, and every meal is made with love. My journey starts in Hanoi, the energetic heart of northern Vietnam. The city buzzes with life and the air is thick with anticipation and a bit of humidity. My plan? Walk, watch and eat. Let the city guide me. I'm searching for hidden carts and alleyway stalls. The places locals love. That's where the real treasures are, so come with me. Let's explore these vibrant streets together. We'll taste new flavors, meet the people behind the food, and discover why a simple bowl of soup or a sandwich can reveal so much about a country's soul. Food here is more than sustenance. It's a story on a plate. I'm here to listen and to eat. Let's get started because I'm already hungry just thinking about it. Are you ready? I know I am. The adventure begins now. Let's see what makes Vietnamese street food truly unforgettable. From the first bite to the last, I promise it'll be a delicious journey. Grab your chopsticks and join me. The streets of Hanoi are calling. Let's dive in and taste Vietnam together. Here we go. Stepping into Hanoi's Old Quarter is like entering a living, breathing painting. The narrow streets are alive with motorbikes, chatter, and the sizzle of food on open grills. Brightly painted buildings and ancient temples stand side by side, lanterns swaying overhead. Shop fronts overflow with silks, crafts, and pyramids of fresh fruit, mangoes, herbs, and chilies everywhere. The air is thick with the scent of grilling pork, bubbling pho, and fresh baguettes. Every corner reveals a new scene, a new aroma, a new invitation to eat. Locals gather on tiny plastic stools, sipping coffee and slurping noodles, sharing laughter and stories. It's a citywide dinner party and everyone's invited. The energy is infectious. You can't help but want to join in. Here you're not just a tourist, you're a guest at the table. The Old Quarter is a feast for the senses, sight, sound, smell, and taste. It's impossible to resist the pull of the next delicious discovery. Pull up a stool, order something new, and become part of the scene. This is Hanoi at its most vibrant and welcoming. The adventure is just getting started. Let's see what's cooking next. My nose leads me to a humble stall where an older woman stands over a steaming pot. This is it, my first real bowl of pho in Vietnam. She smiles, understanding exactly why I'm here. With practiced hands, she assembles the bowl, delicate rice noodles, thin slices of raw beef, and a ladle of fragrant broth. The hot broth cooks the beef instantly, filling the air with the scent of star anise and cinnamon. On the side, a plate of fresh herbs, lime, and fiery chilies. I add a bit of everything, lime for brightness, herbs for freshness, chilies for heat. The bowl is a riot of color and aroma. I find a tiny stool and take my first sip of broth. Wow, it's complex, savory, and full of warm spices, light yet deeply satisfying. The noodles are tender, the beef melts in my mouth, and the herbs cut through the richness. This isn't just soup, it's comfort, tradition, and happiness in a bowl. Every spoonful tells a story of patience and care. I could eat this every day and never get tired of it. Pho here is more than a meal, it's a hug from Vietnam itself. The woman's smile says it all. Welcome to the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. I savor every bite, knowing I'll remember this moment forever. The flavors linger, inviting me to explore more. This is why people travel for food. The magic of pho is real, and I'm just getting started. One bowl down, a lifetime of flavors to go. The journey continues. Let's see what's next on the menu. Vietnam, you've set the bar high. Onward to the next delicious stop. Pho perfection achieved. After pho, I spot a crowd around a small cart. The legendary banh mi awaits. The banh mi queen works with lightning speed, assembling sandwiches with a grin. She slices open a golden baguette, crack, and layers on pate, mayo, pickled veggies, cucumber, coriander, and juicy grilled pork. The aroma is irresistible, smoky, tangy, fresh. She offers chili sauce. I nod, absolutely. Wrapped in paper, the sandwich costs less than a coffee back home. First bite crunch. The crust shatters, flavors explode, savory pork, creamy pate, tangy pickles, fresh herbs, and a kick of heat. It's sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and utterly perfect. How can a sandwich be this good? It's a masterpiece of balance and texture. The banh mi queen truly deserves her crown. I'm already planning to come back for another. This is street food at its finest. Simple, affordable, unforgettable. Every bite is a celebration of Vietnamese ingenuity. The banh mi is a symbol of cultural fusion and creativity. I savor the last crumb, grateful for this delicious discovery. The adventure rolls on. What's next? Vietnam keeps surprising me. One sandwich, 1,000 memories. The banh mi queen waves goodbye, but I know I'll return. This is why you follow the locals. The best food is always found where the line is longest. On to the next flavor. After the richness of banh mi, I crave something fresh. My local guide, Lin, leads me to a family making Gỏi Cuốn, fresh spring rolls. 3 generations gather around a table, rolling rice paper with noodles, herbs, prawns, and pork. Their hands move with practiced grace, turning simple ingredients into edible art. The rolls are translucent, showing off pink shrimp, green herbs, and white noodles. A stained glass window of food. They serve them with a sweet, nutty hoisin peanut sauce. I dip a roll and take a bite, cool, crunchy, fragrant, and light. It's the opposite of fried spring rolls, clean, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Each bite is a refreshing contrast to the city's heat. Gỏi Cuốn is more than a snack, it's a family tradition, made and shared together. Watching them, I feel like part of the family, if only for a moment. The simplicity is beautiful, the taste unforgettable. This is Vietnamese food at its most honest and pure. Sometimes the lightest dishes leave the biggest impression. I thank the family for their hospitality and delicious rolls. Time to see what else Hanoi has in store. As the sun sets, the scent of charcoal and grilling meat fills the air. Bún Chả time. We follow the smoke to a bustling eatery where pork patties and belly sizzle over open flames. The owner, a Bún Chả master, shows off his grilling skills. Crispy edges, juicy centers, smoky perfection. Our meal arrives, grilled pork in a sweet sour fish sauce broth with noodles, herbs, and lettuce on the side. The fun is in the assembly. Dip, mix, and eat. The flavors are bold, smoky pork, tangy sauce, fresh herbs, cool noodles. It's a party in your mouth and a celebration of Hanoi's food culture. Surrounded by locals, I feel truly connected to the city. Bún Chả is more than a dish. It's a tradition, a gathering, a taste of home. Every bite is a reminder of why food brings people together. This is Hanoi at its most delicious. No food adventure is complete without dessert. Time for Che. Che is a colorful world of sweet soups, jellies, beans, and coconut milk, served over ice. I tried Che Thap Cam, a mix of beans, jellies, taro, tapioca, and coconut milk. Each spoonful is a new texture and flavor. Sweet, creamy, refreshing, and fun. It's the perfect way to cool down after a day of eating. I'm officially a fan. Next up, Vietnamese coffee. I order café soda, strong coffee slowly dripping into sweet condensed milk. Stirred and poured over ice, it's rich, chocolatey, and intensely satisfying. Vietnamese coffee is an experience, patience rewarded with bold flavor. It's the perfect pick-me-up to end a day of culinary exploration. Dessert and coffee here are as memorable as the main dishes. Every meal ends on a high note. Sweet, strong, and unforgettable, just like Vietnam itself. I savor the last sip, already dreaming of my next cup. The food journey continues. This journey has been about more than food, it's about people. Every vendor greeted me with a smile, sharing not just their dishes but their stories and pride. Food broke down barriers. Laughter and meals created instant connections. Sitting shoulder to shoulder with locals, I felt part of a community. The banh mi queen, the spring roll family, the Bún Chả master, all welcomed me into their world. Street food is the great equalizer, a bridge to culture and friendship. Here, everyone is united by a love of good food and good company. That's the true magic of Vietnam. My time in Vietnam has been a whirlwind of flavors, sights, and unforgettable moments. The street food here is life-changing. Each dish tells a story of history, family, and pride. It's accessible, affordable, and found right on the street. If you're looking for your next adventure, come to Vietnam. Be curious, try everything, and let the city surprise you. Sit on a tiny stool, let a stranger cook for you, and savor every bite. You'll leave with a full belly and a happy heart. This is the magic of travel, and the magic of food. It brings us closer together, one meal at a time. Book a ticket, come to Vietnam and eat everything. It's an adventure you'll never forget. I know I won't. Thank you, Vietnam, for feeding me so well.